chance to fly Chiappa Rhino Arms.
And we were here today because we saw some of the Rhino revolvers, which have been very difficult for us to keep in the shop, but also are a very interesting design. And I'm going to let Dave talk a little bit about the design of the Rhino Revolver and some of the things you guys might have coming out in the future.
Absolutely. Right now we have the models are 200DS, which is your 2-inch model, 40DS 4-inch model, 50DS 5-inch model, 60DS 6-inch model. All these are in 357 right now. Obviously, we'll accept 38 special. Currently coming down the road, we have a 9mm cylinder combo model and a dedicated 40 cal Smith & Wesson model. You should see those possibly later in the year. The biggest benefit, though, that the Rhino does, because you have the lower bore axis, you're basically getting a pushback and recoil, and it's cutting down your muzzle flip. It's a 40% less felt recoil than a traditional revolver. Shooting at 357, you're experiencing about a 38th level of kick from a typical revolver, and when shooting 38s, it's honestly about like a 22. The other difference you run into is your hammer's internal because the barrel's at the bottom, so what you have up here is nothing more than a cocking mechanism, except the gun in single action. So what you think is your hammer will spring back forward, what you have to notice is the red indication pin. That is there to let you know the gun is cocked and been put into single action. If you need to take it back to double action, simply treat this like a hammer and decock back to double action, and there you go.
That's incredible. The firing mechanism in the revolver, would you classify it as a striker-fired revolver?
It is not a striker-fired, it is actually a hammer.
It is actually a hammer, it's just not one that's external.
Right, yeah, right.
Outstanding. Well, thank you very much for your time, I appreciate it.